What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel here at Vernon's Closet. Today I'm doing a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a really long time. I know that I'm new here with this channel, but I have another channel and I used to do vlogs there a lot, and I haven't done them in years. So I thought I'd try it out with this on this channel. Today I want to share something special with you guys. But it's only special if you guys like the item, if you like the product that I'm going to talk about today. So there are these sunglasses by Off-White. They are super dope, so cool. I've been keeping an eye on them for a while to see if they're going to go down in price. And it's really weird what's going on with them right now. I think it's better if I show you on my computer than just telling you. Okay, so here are the sunglasses, guys. They are so cool. I've been eyeing them out for over like 2 months at least, trying to see if they're going to go down in price. And let me tell you, these things, it's been at least 2 months since I've eyeballed these. And let me tell you, these things have not gone in price. They've actually gone up in price. Let me show you what I mean. On Off-White's website, they are sold out. So this product is sold out. Now, of course, you guys, here are other colors that they have. This is like a brown. And by the way, they cost $270. As you can see over there to the far left corner. They're $270. So here's another color. This one is available. It's going for $270. Super cool. I like this color as well, but I really like the clear ones. I really like these. I don't know what it is about these, but I like these a lot. I feel like they can pass as like regular prescription glasses, you know? And they're very subtle. They're not like super crazy, like shady, but they're like subtle. So here's another color. This product is also out. This one is also out of stock, okay? This is what it looks like. It's also, they're all $270, okay? And it's called the Manchester sunglasses by Off-White, okay? Well, this one is sold out on the website, and also this one is sold out on the website, right? So when you go to Google them to see if you can find them elsewhere to buy them, guys, look how much these other retailers are selling them for. Look at this. Farfetch, they are out of their minds. They're charging $487. $487. And on Off-White's website, they're freaking $270. Like, the nerve of Farfetch. The nerve. You know what they're gonna do? I bet they're going to keep going down in price. They're going to put these on sale eventually, and they'll go down in price. They'll go down in price, but they'll probably never go below the original sale price of these shades, okay? This is crazy to me. This is just bizarre. And look, they're not the only ones. Look, okay, so if you go to, okay, now there's this website called Satire. I looked at these. They're $270 on this website, but I don't trust them. I've looked up reviews. I don't really know too much about them. I don't trust them. If I'm not buying from the source or any other trusted, well-known website, I'm not buying them. So they're $270 here at some site called Satire. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I did some research on Satire. I tried to look up a couple of YouTube videos. I couldn't really get anything solid on YouTube. All I could hang my hat on was just reviews, and most of the reviews were bad. So I just don't trust it. You know, you're taking a risk, you know? And even, okay, so if we go to Saks Fifth has them for $295. Like, come on, guys. Like, really? Like, $295? And they're doing this probably because they probably bought all the last items from Off-White's website. That's number one. And they know that there's probably a high demand for them. So Saks Fifth has them for $295. So if we go back to Google and we go to the Google results, you know, they've got the other colors too, of course. And let's see if we can find anything else. Modson's has them for $487. This is crazy, you guys. And look at this. This is really weird. Farfetch has the other colored versions of them in the original price. So I don't know what it is about the clear ones, but they've just got something against the clear ones. I guess the clear ones must be in super high demand, okay? Because how do you have the clear ones for almost double the price, but you've got the other color versions for the original price that they are? That's really weird. So you guys, you know what I did? I called Saks Fifth because I know Saks Fifth, they're customer service oriented. I called them and I said, hey, do you guys, like price match? They price matched. They price matched it, you guys, and I got them literally for the original sale price. And get this, I didn't pay shipping. They gave me a coupon code to buy them online. I bought them online. I put the coupon code in, and I ended up spending only $273.95 is what I paid for them. So literally, I only paid like $3.95 over the original sale price. So that's to put you guys on game if you don't know. If you like these shades or anything similar that you think is really weird going on, check out Saks Fifth. Call their customer service. Try to get a price match. They're customer service oriented. So I just wanted to share that gem with you guys. Let me take you guys to StockX. StockX has them on their website. And of course, they're pricey on StockX as well. And so let me look these up really quickly. So here we are, guys. Off-white Manchester rectangular frame sunglasses. So look, the lowest ask is $328 above the original sale price. Okay, and of course you can bid, you can take a bid. But let's take a look at what they've been selling for. So if we go down here, if we scroll down to view sales right here, okay, we can see what they're selling for. So on the 4th of September, they sold for $328, $303, $303, $239, $240. All of these are above the, oh no, I'm sorry, wait, I take that back. Okay, so these three down here sold for under the sale price. But get this, you guys, I still came out better than these guys on StockX, because once you place an order with StockX, they charge you for the verification fee, and they also charge you for shipping. So these people, even though they got a good deal on them with the base price, they still paid more because of the authenticity fee and the shipping. So I still got a better deal than these guys on StockX. But as you can see, like, the popularity of them are going up. They're only going up in price. They're not going down. I could legit like get my shades, put them on StockX, and really make a profit if I wanted to. But I don't think I'm gonna do that, because I really like the shades. I've been paying attention to them for a while. And it's just not worth it, really. I mean, what's an extra like 20 bucks gonna do for me? It's not really that much of a huge increase. Now, if I could get them for like $100 more, okay, then we're talking reselling them. But I just wanted to share that with you guys, that gem with you guys. I'm also going to include in this video me receiving my sunglasses. Yeah, I just want to include that gem with you guys and let you guys know that's a hack you can get in on, okay? And I also want to share with you guys, since this is a vlog video, I bought these. I found these at the Nike store. They literally were only like $69. And because I had a Nike ID account with the app, I got another 15% off. So I ended up paying only like $59 for them. And they are women's forces, but it just so happens that I stumbled upon them and they fit me. My size is a 12. I think these are like a 12.5 in women's, but it still fits me. But you know what? I'm going to take them back, you guys, because I'm just not really, there's like a few like little like scratches on them or whatever. And I'm just like, I'm not really into it. Like, I can use that money and just get something else with it, or just put it back in my bank account, but they're not really used. You can kind of tell, of course, they were used, like, as far as trying them on is concerned. But like, there's like a few little dings, nothing too big, nothing too crucial, but there's a few little dings that, I'm not really into. I'm just gonna take them back. Also, here are some other shoes that I recently got. I'm really excited about them. I haven't went sneaker shopping in years, you guys. So I'm long overdue, okay? So don't judge me, okay? So, I got some dunks here, high top dunks here a while back, and a few other shoes. I'm not going to share all of my shoes with you because I kind of want to do some unboxings on the channel later. So I have a couple of errands to run. I'm going to go take some clothes to the thrift shop, drop off at the thrift shop, and then I'm going to return these shoes. So come along with me. All right. Taking some sneakers in and some clothes in. Out with the old and with the new. So, all right. Went to the thrift store, got rid of some old stuff that's just been sitting in my apartment collecting dust. So glad to get rid of it. It's so refreshing to get rid of old stuff so you can make room for the new. And also, to declutter as well, It's so hot out here, it's crazy. right, so I just got back from the mall returning those shoes. So I guess I'll catch you guys when those sunglasses come in, and I'll catch you then. All right, guys, my sunglasses finally arrived. I went to the pickup location to pick them up, and now we're headed back to unbox them. So let's go. All right, guys, here she is. Let's unbox her, and let's see how they look. So that's my receipt. And here is the box. Okay. Included a lot of tissue paper. Okay. So here we are. Off-white. Designed in Milan, Italy. Okay. We have a case or like a pouch to carry them in. Okay, I can dig that. That's pretty cool. And we have, what's this? I don't know what this is. And then some random stuff. All right, let's open the sunglasses up. I'm doing it to one hand, guys, so bear with me. Okay. There we go. All right. Here we go, here we go. Okay, here we go. Here are the shades. We've got off-white on the left side of the shades. And it's pretty simple, pretty straight to the point. Clear sunglasses. I think this is a collaboration with Virgil. Or no, he's the designer of Off-White now. It had something about Virgil on there. I think he designs the whole line, but I don't know. Maybe it's a collaboration, I don't know. Let's try them on. All right, here we go. What do you guys think? I love them, oh my gosh. They're so simple, but yet so smooth looking, you know what I'm saying? Like, I dig these. And to prove to you guys that I got a good deal on it, there is Saks Fifth watermark. There is the price. It looks like they already took it off and just made it, you know, that price. And then the total, $273.93. Also, they give you this tag here to check the authenticity of your products. What you do is you scan this with your camera. It takes you to this third-party website, and then you upload, you take a picture of this, and they confirm. You show your CLG code, and then you confirm if it's authentic, and it is authentic. Okay, guys, so remember that black thing that I didn't know what it was? So it looks like this is a little thing that just cleans your sunglasses. I don't know why there's holes in it. I'm assuming that's just the design of it, and that's the aesthetic. Or maybe there's actually a good use to this. Maybe this is meant for sticking your fingers through it so you have a good grip or something, maybe. And while you're cleaning the sunglasses, I don't know. But that's what this is, randomly with 3 holes in it. That's funny. And okay, we're gonna take a closer look at the case. So this is the case. I guess I just throw my glasses in here, and that's the case. But it's pretty cool, you know, off-white. And, you know, once again, you know, these are sold out pretty much everywhere. And if you do find them, people are jacking up the price on them. So I feel like they're in high demand and they have a higher resale value. So that's a good deal that I got it for, considering that. So hope you guys enjoyed this gem. Hope you guys make use of this hack. Be sure to check out my website at vernonscloset.bigcartel.com. I sell gently used or never really used items on there, and I will catch you guys on the next video. All right, peace.